Very good morning, student. Today we start next topic. How do these traits get expressed? These trait means these two characters, round shape of seeds and green colors, or wrinkled shape or yellow color. Okay, in which we discuss dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross means in which we take two characters of seed. Okay, so how does the mechanism of heredity work? Cellular DNA is the information source for making proteins in the cell. A section of DNA that provide information for one protein is called the gene for that protein. How do protein control the characteristics that we are discussing here? So let's take examples of tallness as a character. We know that the plants have some hormone that can trigger growth. Plant height can be depend on the amount of particular plant hormone. The amount of plant hormone made will depend upon the efficiency of process for making it. Consider now an enzyme that is important for this process. If this enzyme work efficiently, a lot of hormone will be made and the plant will be tall. If gene of that enzyme has an alteration that make the enzyme less efficient, it means the amount of hormone will also less and the plant will be short. It means that genes are the basic unit that control the character or trait in plants or any organism. So in the interpretation of Mendelian experiment we have been discussed are correct. So then both parents contribute equal to the DNA the progeny during sexual reproduction. We have discussed this issue in the previous chapter. We take both parents can help determine the trait in the progeny. Both parents must be contributing a copy of the same gene. This means that each pea plant must have two set of all gene, one inherited from each parents. For this mechanism to work, each germ cell must have only one gene set. Okay, in which we discuss dihybrid cross. Okay, now understand it by this. We take parents round and green seeds. This round is represented by capital R and green color is shown by small y. Wrinkled yellow seeds, wrinkled is shown by small r and yellow is shown by capital Y. Okay, and their gametes is capital R small y, wrinkled small r, capital Y. So when they cross with each other, okay, they produce F1 generation R Y Y, capital R small r, capital Y small y. It means in which characters are shown? Dominant जी लेटर्स जो हैं वो आपको जो है उसका शेप और कलर शो करेंगे, राउंड एंड येलो. ओके, वी टेक दिस F1 cross with each other, F1 organism. Here self pollination will occur. So in which four gametes are formed? R small y, small r, capital Y. Okay, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y. So we take four gametes. Okay, in this horizontal and vertical way. Okay, so this R Y both are crossed with each other. दे फॉर्म आर आर वाई वाई। ठीक है, ये क्या बन गया आपके पास, राउंड एंड येलो। फिर नेक्स्ट आर वाई, कैपिटल आर